I'm Tristan Began.
And I'm Casey Cantz. Work is underway for a first-in-the-nation facility in Albany.
The Port of Albany taking on that massive project of building an offshore wind tower manufacturing facility, promising to bring hundreds of jobs to the area.
But as News 10's Karina Dominguez tells us tonight, not everyone is on board. She takes an inside look.
According to Port of Albany CEO Richard Hendrick, it's never been done in the country before.
Number one thing to make it unique is this is pioneering. It's the first offshore wind tower manufacturing site in the United States.
The new facility will have the strongest structural capacity in the U.S., expected to hold up to 6,000 pounds per square foot. But it comes with an equally hefty price tag. It's expected to cost between $600 and $700 million, and there's a roughly $400 million funding gap right now.
We're looking under every rock.
The Port of Albany is expecting the economic impact to reach neighboring states, as Chief Commerce Officer Megan Daly describes.
When this locates here, there's other suppliers that will want to be located in and around this region. So we see this as a way to draw other companies, as well as being able to draw from other manufacturers in the region to be able to support the industry.
The Port of Albany expects the developments to create new opportunities throughout the capital region and the state. But there have been concerns from tribal nations, nearby residents, and environmental organizations. The Stockbridge-Muncie community of Mohican Indians reached an agreement with the port to keep a tree line in place to not disturb a sacred site across the river. Bethlehem residents launched a lawsuit over the location and consultation process, but yesterday a judge ruled in favor of the port. Hendrick said they've tried their best to mitigate issues, including working with Riverkeeper to protect aquatic plants for sturgeon that are now on the brink of extinction.
It's hard, but I think that it's worth it, particularly related to the goal is helping with climate change.
Reporting in Albany, Karina Dominguez, News 10 ABC.